Hey, welcome back to week 4 of FTH212. We got a lot to get over, so let's start burning and grinding some plastic. Okay, and we're back. So let me go ahead and get this camera flipped around and I'll show you what we've been working on so far. Okay, so as of thus far, we have our 3 patterns drawn out. These lines in here, don't worry about the facet lines. We're not going to worry about those. We're going to cut this middle border, however. So there will be 2 separate parts, and we are going to alternate the types of patterns that we use on the top of this diamond pattern to the bottom. We have a standard circle and then just a basic square. So we'll go ahead and start cutting that out and show you in the next video where we end up. Okay, so we're back. We've got 3 different patterns with borders, all 3. This one we have a simple dot pattern. This one we have I guess you'd call it a leaf pattern. And then this one we have what I like to refer to as dragon scale, where it's overlapping. So we will go ahead and cut to the next part with the grip, and we'll see you there. Okay, here is our second roughed out panel. So we're going to keep going ahead and working on that, and we'll be back with the finished product. Okay, and we're back. Well, this has been quite a journey. So if you'll forgive me, I'm going handheld right now. So this cutter right here, get that focus, that's been our primary cutter for doing borders, especially on the grip. So we can see here we have all 3 of our test panels and our final grip with the borders that we used that cutter for. For this part we did just a dot stippling, and then this part was actually a shelf burn where I held the burning bit at an angle to kind of create a shelf up. So it's different, but for a fun little project. This is definitely something I'm wanting to further and continue doing. One thing I really have to learn more about are cutting these borders. These things are a pain to keep straight and clean, as well as I need to learn more about polishing and leveling, pretty much the whole process. So this, like, I've done it a couple times before, but this is the first time I've actually sat down and tried to do any type of design or pattern. That being said, for my first time, I'll take it. Has kind of a island motif or feel to it. Anyhow, well, this has been our video for FTH212. Thank you for joining me, and as always, look forward to seeing you next time.